Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of companion planting and exploring 6 herbs that cucumber plants absolutely love. These herbs not only help with pest control, but also support growth and pollination. Let's get started. Dill, with its feathery fronds and delicate yellow flowers, is a beloved herb in the kitchen, adding a burst of fresh flavor to pickles and salads. But did you know that dill is also a powerful ally in the garden, especially for cucumber plants? Dill acts as a beacon, attracting a diverse array of beneficial insects to your garden. Hoverflies, those tiny helicopters of the insect world, are drawn to dill's nectar-rich flowers. These delicate creatures are voracious predators of aphids, those sap-sucking pests that can quickly decimate a cucumber plant. Lacewings, with their gossamer wings and iridescent eyes, are also drawn to dill. Their larvae, aptly nicknamed aphid lions, are relentless hunters, consuming vast quantities of aphids during their development. And as if that weren't enough, dill also attracts parasitic wasps, tiny warriors that lay their eggs inside harmful pests, effectively controlling their populations. But dill's benefits extend beyond pest control. Its umbels of tiny yellow flowers are a magnet for pollinators, including bees and butterflies. These industrious insects, attracted by dill's sweet nectar, will also visit your cucumber plants, ensuring good pollination and a bountiful harvest. So, when you plant dill alongside your cucumbers, you're not just adding a flavorful herb to your garden. You're creating a haven for beneficial insects, a bustling ecosystem that helps maintain a healthy balance in your garden. The delicate dance between dill, pollinators, and pest predators is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature, a symphony of life playing out in your very own backyard. And as you harvest your cucumbers plump and crisp, remember the role that dill played in their abundance. It's a reminder that even in the smallest of spaces, we can create a thriving ecosystem, one that nourishes both our bodies and our souls. Oregano, with its pungent aroma and tiny purple flowers, is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. But this versatile herb is also a valuable companion plant, particularly for cucumbers. Oregano's strong scent, a symphony of volatile compounds, acts as a natural deterrent to a wide range of pests. Aphids, those tiny sapsuckers, find oregano's aroma repulsive, avoiding areas where it grows. Cabbage moths, known for their destructive caterpillars, are also repelled by oregano's potent scent. And unlike some herbs that can grow tall and bushy, oregano maintains a relatively low profile, its sprawling habit rarely exceeding 2 feet in height. This makes it an ideal companion for cucumbers, as it won't shade out the cucumber vines or compete for space. Oregano's benefits extend beyond pest control. Its presence in the garden attracts beneficial insects, including ladybugs and lacewings, which feast on aphids and other soft-bodied pests. And when oregano's delicate purple flowers bloom, they attract pollinators, further enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. So the next time you're planning your cucumber patch, consider adding a few oregano plants. Not only will you enjoy the culinary delights of this versatile herb, but you'll also be providing your cucumbers with a natural and effective form of pest control, ensuring a healthy and bountiful harvest. Basil, with its glossy green leaves and intoxicating aroma, is a beloved herb in kitchens around the world. But this culinary favorite is also a valuable companion plant, particularly for cucumbers. Basil's pungent scent, a complex blend of volatile compounds, acts as a natural deterrent to a variety of pests. Whiteflies, those tiny sap-sucking insects that can decimate a cucumber plant, are repelled by basil's strong aroma. Mosquitoes, those pesky insects that plague our summer evenings, also avoid areas where basil grows. And aphids, those ubiquitous garden pests, find basil's scent equally repulsive. But basil's benefits extend beyond pest control. Some gardeners believe that planting basil near cucumbers enhances the flavor of the cucumbers, making them sweeter and more flavorful. While scientific evidence to support this claim is limited, anecdotal evidence from generations of gardeners suggests that basil's presence can indeed influence the taste of nearby plants. Basil is also known to improve soil conditions, enhancing nutrient availability and promoting healthy plant growth. So, the next time you're planning your cucumber patch, be sure to include some basil plants. Not only will you enjoy the culinary delights of this versatile herb, but you'll also be providing your cucumbers with a natural and effective form of pest control, while potentially enhancing their flavor and promoting healthy growth. Chives, the aromatic shield. Chives, with their slender, hollow leaves and delicate pink flowers, are a welcome addition to any herb garden. But these unassuming herbs are also powerful allies in the fight against cucumber pests. Chives belong to the allium family, a group of plants known for their pungent sulfur-containing compounds. These compounds, responsible for the characteristic oniony aroma of chives, are highly effective at repelling a wide range of insects. Aphids, those tiny sapsuckers that can quickly infest a cucumber plant, are particularly averse to the scent of chives. Beetles, another common cucumber pest, are also deterred by the pungent aroma of chives. The strong scent of chives helps to mask the scent of cucumbers, making it more difficult for pests to locate their target. This olfactory camouflage can be particularly effective in the early stages of cucumber growth when the plants are most vulnerable to attack. But chives' benefits extend beyond pest control. Their delicate pink flowers attract beneficial insects, including ladybugs and lacewings, which prey on aphids and other soft-bodied pests. And when chives go to seed, the tiny black seeds are a valuable food source for birds, further enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. So, when you plant chives alongside your cucumbers, you're not just adding a flavorful herb to your garden, you're creating a multi-layered defense system that protects your cucumbers from pests while attracting beneficial insects and supporting wildlife. Nasturtium, the sacrificial trap crop. Nasturtiums, with their vibrant trumpet-shaped flowers and shield-like leaves, are a cheerful addition to any garden. But these flamboyant flowers are more than just a pretty face. They're also cunning strategists in the battle against cucumber pests. Nasturtiums are known as trap crops, plants that are deliberately grown to lure pests away from more valuable crops. And when it comes to cucumbers, nasturtiums are particularly effective at attracting aphids. Aphids, those tiny sapsuckers, find the tender leaves and stems of nasturtiums irresistible. They'll often congregate on nasturtiums in droves, leaving your cucumber plants relatively unscathed. Once aphids have colonized your nasturtiums, you can easily control their population by spraying the affected plants with a strong jet of water, or by simply pinching off and disposing of the infested leaves. But nasturtiums' benefits don't stop there. These versatile plants also repel cucumber beetles, those striped or spotted pests that can decimate a cucumber crop. Cucumber beetles are attracted to the scent of cucurbits, the plant family that includes cucumbers, melons, and squash. Nasturtiums, with their pungent, peppery flavor, mask the scent of cucurbits, making it more difficult for cucumber beetles to locate their target. So, when you plant nasturtiums alongside your cucumbers, you're not just adding a splash of color to your garden, you're deploying a strategic defense system that protects your cucumbers from some of their most formidable foes. Tansy, the double-edged sword. Tansy, with its clusters of button-like yellow flowers and fern-like foliage, is a striking plant with a long history of use in traditional medicine and pest control. But this potent herb is a double-edged sword, offering both benefits and drawbacks as a companion plant for cucumbers. On the one hand, tansy is highly effective at repelling cucumber beetles, those striped or spotted pests that can decimate a cucumber crop. Tansy contains a complex blend of volatile compounds, including thujone and camphor, that are highly repellent to cucumber beetles. The strong, pungent aroma of tansy masks the scent of cucumbers, making it more difficult for cucumber beetles to locate their target. Tansy is also effective at repelling ants, which can farm aphids, those tiny sapsuckers that can weaken cucumber plants. However, tansy's very effectiveness as a pest repellent is also its downfall. Tansy is a prolific self-seeder, and its seeds can easily spread throughout the garden, leading to unwanted colonies of tansy plants. Once established, tansy can be difficult to eradicate, as its roots contain allelopathic compounds that inhibit the growth of other plants. For this reason, it's important to plant tansy with caution, carefully controlling its spread and removing flower heads before they go to seed. If you choose to plant tansy as a companion plant for your cucumbers, it's best to grow it in containers or in a designated area of the garden where its spread can be easily controlled. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of companion planting with cucumbers. We've delved into the fascinating world of herbs and their remarkable ability to deter pests, attract beneficial insects, and even potentially enhance the flavor of our favorite vegetables. Remember, companion planting is all about creating a harmonious ecosystem in your garden, one where plants work together to thrive. By carefully selecting companion plants, you can create a balanced and resilient garden that's more resistant to pests and diseases. So go forth and experiment with companion planting in your own garden. You'll be amazed by the results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. And let us know in the comments if you'd like a visual companion planting chart or tips on what not to plant near cucumbers. Happy gardening!